have to choose only one investment for the rest of my life and still make good money, I will choose ETF. You will understand why shortly. This is one of our most in-demand videos in this community. As usual, Money Cheerleader Day for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step everything you need to know about ETFs. What they are, how they work, how you can invest in them, why they are perfect for beginners, and how you can start making money from them today. I will share my screen and show you. And hey, make sure you watch to the end because I will also be sharing a free list of top ETFs you could check out. So let's dive right in. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, a chartered accountant, an authorized dealer in the Nigerian market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. In this our community, we're all about securing the bag, investment, side hustle, passive income. If that's your kind of vibe, see that subscribe button right away. I want to be your money cheerleader too. All right, first things first, what exactly is ETF? Please, if you've not liked this video at this point, could you please like it? Trust me, you're going to love the video. Hit the thumbs up button. Thank you. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Funds. It's a basket of different investments. It can be stock, bonds, commodities. So instead of investing in one single company, you can buy an ETF that has like a collection of different companies. Imagine buying a slice of different companies in one easy step. Sounds cool, right? Yeah, so let me use, for example, one of the top popular ETFs, VOO. So VOO is an ETF that tracks the top 500 companies in the US. That means if you buy a unit of VOO, you have a tiny stake in 500 different companies. And the best part, it trades just like stock. That means you can buy and sell anytime. Let me illustrate with something. So you know how, let's use fruit salad, right? If I want to eat fruit, I can decide to like buy orange or apple or banana. Alternatively, I can decide that, oh, I want a tiny bit of each. So let me have a little bit of orange, a little bit of banana, pineapple. I'll mix all of them together in what we call fruit salad, right? So instead of eating just full of each one, I will just mix everything together. That is ETF. So instead of just investing in like Facebook shares, MTN shares, Amazon shares, Netflix shares, I can just invest in an ETF that has all of them in one. That is just ETF simplified. And you make good money from ETFs, even if it's a passive investing. Let me even show you something using VOO, for example. So this is VOO, the ETF that tracks the top 500 companies in the US. Currently, the price is $5.49, but then like I will show you when we share screen to start buying, you can buy a fraction. Even if it's $5 you have, you can buy. Now, for this year, if you invested in VOO from January to date, you have made 26.6 in returns, right? In the last 1 year, you must have made 38.36%. Now, for the years past, in 2023, VOO returned 26%. 2022, there was a negative. You would have lost money, that it dropped by 18. But 2021, 28%. 2020, 18%. Can you see all these returns? 2019, it returned 30-something%. On 2018, there was a drop. So this shows you that the average returns for ETF stock market is like 10-12%. But as you can see here, sometimes it does way more than that. That's the beauty of investing in ETFs. Let's talk about the benefits of investing in ETFs. Why invest in ETFs? So aside from making good money from it, number one is diversification. With ETF, you are investing in multiple assets at once, and this lowers your risk because in one ETF like the VOO, for example, you have 500 companies. There is no way all the 500 companies will mess up at the same time. So still talking about risk, let's look at the risk with ETF. The risk is just similar thing with stock, right? Price volatility, it moves up, it moves down. You can buy an ETF $50 today, tomorrow is like $45, just the same way as stock. But the beautiful thing is that it's not as volatile as stock, right? The price doesn't like boom, 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 the way some stocks might do. So it's less riskier. Second reason why I love ETF is low fees. ETFs typically have lower fees, like say a mutual fund. So more of your money goes into actually making more money for you and not just fees. With mutual funds, for example, you can pay up to like 1%, 2% in service charge, right? But with ETFs, most of them are in fact are less than 1%. Some are 0.4% less than mutual fund. Third reason why I love ETF is simplicity. ETF offers a set it and forget it kind of investing. You don't need to start worrying yourself on what's the best stock to invest in, and when you invest, you're monitoring it. Is it going up? Is it going down? Nah, just invest and go and sleep. And then finally, on why I love ETF is liquidity. Since that's traded on the stock market, you can buy and sell whenever you want. You can wake up today and say, I want to sell my ETF. Piam, just go to your app. Bang, bang, bang. I'll show you how to buy and sell. Just click, you sold, and you get your money back. You should definitely consider investing in ETF. In fact, for those of you that are still dulling on this investment journey, I am cooking something for us in January, our money challenge for this finance community. See, 2025, whether you like it or not, it was going to be your money year, your best money year ever. This cheerleader will see to it. So more details will be coming up as the days goes by, but I'm going to do something right now. Just go to the description. I'll drop a form where you can drop your email address, because it's a free challenge, right? And it will be here on YouTube. We'll be following up here on YouTube. But I also want to do like maybe a daily ginger accountability something via email, right? So drop your email, and as day goes by, we get updates via email and here on YouTube as well. So be on the lookout for my future videos on that. And if you've not yet, subscribe to join the community. You're going to love it here. Before I share my screen and show you how to buy and sell ETF, how do you know the best ETFs to buy? How do you make that decision? Yes, like I said before the end of this video, I will give you a list, right, of top performing ETFs you can check out. But that aside, you still need to know how to choose them yourself. You know, the different things to consider before investing in an ETF. Here is a checklist to get you started. Number one, identify your goals. Are you looking for growth, income, or stability? Not ETFs are the same. Like, there are various types of ETFs to suit different investment goals. For instance, stock ETF track portfolio of stock. There is bond ETF that focus on government bonds, and other ETF that focuses on industry like technology, health, even energy. For instance, the ETF called HACK, H-A-C-K, it focuses on information technology companies. So knowing the different types of ETFs helps you to align with your investment goal, right? So if you have a long-term horizon, you can decide to invest in ETFs that track the stock market, knowing how volatile it can be. Or maybe you have a low risk appetite, you know one story, you can decide to go for ETFs that tracks maybe gold or government bond. You get the drift. So it suits your risk appetite with your investment goals. Another thing to consider is to research that particular ETFs you want to invest in. See the companies under it, right? For example, now if you do a Google search, you can see all the companies under VOO. I told you VOO has the 500 top companies in the US. You see a list of the companies. So before investing in any ETF, make sure you check the companies, make sure that you actually like these companies. Another thing to consider is to check the expense ratio. So aim for ETFs with low expense ratio, because this will ensure that the fees you are paying on it is reduced. And again, look at the historical performance. Past performance is not a guarantee of future performance, but at least it gives you an idea. Then consider the fund size and liquidity. So larger ETFs tend to be more stable, you know, so that can be an advantage as well. But don't worry yourself. Like I said before, I'm putting together a list of top performing ETFs that you're going to get before the end of this video. So watch to the end. These are some of the things our students enjoy in the World Business Academy, which is a 3 weeks online program where I personally guide you on your investment journey, be it bonds, commercial paper, whatever investment you want to do. If you've not joined that academy, I'm going to drop the link in the pinned comment on the description. Join us in the World Business Academy and change your investing life. 2025, we are not smiling. Now the fun part, I'm going to share my screen now to show you how to exactly invest in ETFs step by step. We are going to be using Optimus by AfriInvest. If you have the app, no problem. If you have the app, perfect. If you don't have it and you have another one, any app you can buy foreign stock in, you can use it for ETF. But if you don't have any app, so I will drop the link to Optimus by AfriInvest on the description. Go and download. It's a great app to use. When you come to your Optimus account, you will see this your dashboard. Go straight to US stock, right? But before then, let's assume you don't have money. Go to your wallet. From your wallet, this is my wallet. This is how much I have in my wallet. So if you click on fund wallet now, let's assume you are new to Optimus, click on fund wallet, go to Naira Bank account. It will show you your Naira Bank account. Just copy this account, go to your bank and transfer money to it. Now that Naira you transfer it to it, you can now swap it to dollar. You don't even need dollar before you can start. You can move your Naira to dollar here. So once I have funded, I will go to swap. You will see the exchange rate. If I'm fine with it, accept and continue. How much do I want to send? Let's say I want to do 10,000 Naira, right? I'm changing 10,000 Naira to dollars so I can buy ETF. So I will swap out for 10,000. I will get $5.64 on Nigeria. These are money. Eh? So review order and swap. Now I have $5 plus to buy my US stock. Although that money is going to be in my, it's going to be here. If you toggle this, if you go to USD, that money will be here. I had small money here, so that $5 I made it $7. We'll have to move this $7 to my trading. It's a trading account that you need to move it from here to here. You know, in Optimus, you can do dollar savings, you can do ETF, you can do stock. So you decide the one you want to do. So now we'll move it from USD to trading, but we can do that in the stock dashboard. So let's come back to US stock. Click on US stocks, right? So over here now, let's first of all, let's assume that the dollar you swapped is still in your dollar account. How do we move it to our trading account? So I will come here. Maybe I want to move $5, right? So if I click review order, if I'm fine with it, transfer, automatically the money has been moved from my Gorit. It has moved from my USD wallet to trading wallet. So let's go and buy an ETF. If we come up here, search for stocks or ETFs too. So let's search for VOO. Want to buy VOO, we'll search for VOO. This one, S&P 500 Vanguard ETF, that's the full name. I will open it, right? So when it opens, you scroll down, you will see different information about the stock you are interested in. I have a few fractions of it. Like you can see, currently I have 0.2. I don't even have up to full units. But that one, I've actually made money on it. How much have I made on it? Oh, I've made $14 in profit, total gain or loss. I've made $14. So you can scroll down, read about the ETFs, look at the different details they have on it. If you are fine with what you are seeing, right, you will come here. How much do you want to buy? Let's say you want to buy $5. That $5 will move. Let's type $5, right? And then review order. Let's review order. If you like it, this is what is going to be the service charge 0.07. If you are fine with it, confirm. Click on confirm. It's loading. Let's see. Right now, the market is not open. Ooh, your $5 view order is queued and will be placed when the market opens. Exactly. Right now, this is morning period. The US market opens from 2:30 to 9 in the night. So target those period. Done. So once the market opens now, I'm going to get my, you see it has queued here, pending. Once the market opens, it's going to execute. So let's say I want to sell. So I will come to sell VOO, right? Let's say I want to sell the same $5 I bought. I'll come to here, type the amount I want to sell, and click on sell. If you look at it, if it's fine, is it fine, you click confirm. Once you confirm, automatically it's sold. But like I said, because the market is not open, it's going to just affect once the market opens. And it's as simple as that. That's how you fund your wallet and invest in ETFs. Next thing for you now is to get started. So go to the description now. Number one, the link to download Optimus if you don't have. Number two, the link to download the PDF of the top performing ETFs that you can check out. This is not a financial advice, right? This is just me giving you a list that will give you ideas. See the company's list and you can now check them out and decide if you want to invest in them or not. It's going to make your investing journey easier. So try to invest it right away before the link expires. And if you're ready to take this investment thing further, to start investing in individual stock, treasury bills, and government bonds, I'm going to leave the link to all of these investments on how you can do them step by step, just the way we have done ETF now. Go and look at other investments as well. All this link will be in the description. See, you can't be a member of this finance channel and be darling.